Connecting Calendly to your Outlook calendar helps streamline scheduling by ensuring that your availability reflects your existing appointments. Here's how to set up the integration. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Access Calendar Connections. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Then navigate to the Calendar Connections tab on the left sidebar. Connect Outlook Calendar. In the Calendar Connections section, look for the Outlook option. Click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign into your Outlook account. Authorize access. Enter your Outlook credentials and grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your calendar. This step is essential for Calendly to check your availability and update your calendar. Set preferences. After connecting, you can choose which Outlook calendar to sync with Calendly. You can also set preferences for how Calendly will handle events, such as automatically blocking out times when appointments are scheduled in Outlook. Save changes. Once you have configured your preferences, click Save to apply the changes. Test the integration. Schedule a test appointment through Calendly to ensure that it accurately reflects your Outlook calendar.